Hello everyone, my name is Claudine Tiernaes from BESED Major in Mathematics. I am a second year evening class. Today, I will demonstrate to you my detailed lesson plan. So this is my lesson plan. So, let us start. Wow! A pleasant morning to all. Good morning, class. Okay, before we start, Liza kindly lead a prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. So again, good morning everyone. So before you all take your seat, kindly check your alignment of your chairs and be sure you pick up those pieces of trash under your chairs. Okay, very good. Now let us check your attendance. Okay, Emmanuel, may I know who is absent in your class today? Okay, very good. So today, we are going to play a game. We are excited. So, are you excited? Okay, very good. So, well, I will show you a basic multiplication and you can have your answers before I will give you the correct answers. So, everybody, eyes on the board, please. Okay, let us start. Okay, 5 times 9 equals 45. Very good. Next, 5 times 6 equals 30. Okay. Next, 5 times 7 equals 35. Very good. Next, we have 5 times 8 equals 40. Next, 5 times 5 equals 25. Very good. Next, 4 times 5 equals 20. And the last, we have 4 times 4 equals 16. So, okay, thank you for your cooperation. So, let us give everyone, still give everyone a forward clap. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, shh, 1, 2, 3, shh, 1, 2, 3, shh, shh, shh. Yay! So, thank you, my dear students. So, and now, who can tell me the best one that you have discussed yesterday? Okay, Vilma, what is your last discussion about? Okay, very good. So, Charcos, okay, what have you learned about the three-dimensional figures and their properties? So, we have prism, cylinder, pyramid, and cone. So, very good. Gives all the ones up, everybody? Okay. So, it means you have understood the lesson last time. So, class, we will having a first activity. So, but before that, we are going to we're going to play a game. But before that, can I have your attention for this hour learning? Okay, very good. So thank you for your response. So let us play the shape of polygonal. Because you are 20 students here in grade 8 Magnolia, I will divide you into 5 groups. So each group, I will give a worksheet and you will do what instruction I will give you. So what you will do in this activity is you will guess or you will give the name of the shape and then you will present it in front of your classmates. So, okay, this is for group 1, okay, group 2, group 3, next group 4, and this is for you group 5. So, start now. Okay, time's up. Group 1, come here in front. Come here in front. What is your answer? Okay, we have what? Okay, very good. How about the group 2? What is your answer? Okay, very good. How about the group 3? Okay, very good. How about your group 4? Okay, very good. How about your group 5? Okay, very good. So, okay, I will show you the correct answer. So, okay, the answer of group 1 is pentagonal. So, this is the shape of pentagonal. Okay, the answer of group 2 is hexagonal. So, very good. And the group 3 is the triangular. Okay, group 4 is the rectangular. And group 5 is cube. So, all your answers are correct. So, very good. And now, I have a question for you. Just raise your hands if you, whoever wants to answer. So, okay. How did you find the activity? Okay, very good. So, you are happy and then, okay, very good. So, what is the activity all about? Okay, Imba. Okay, thank you, Imba. So, our activity is all about shape. What else? Okay, now, so was it easier or harder than you thought? It would be to describe an image to one another. Okay, yes. So there are different shape and name. So did any group and having arrangement that all method? Okay, so how did you collaborate with your group mates to know what kind of activities that we have? Yeah, okay, Delona. Okay, so very good. So, do you have any idea about our lesson today? Okay, so, excuse me. So, in our activity, we are able to realize that collaboration and teamwork will help us in solving real life problems. Is just like with our lesson today, we will learn how to find the surface area of prisms and how to calculate it. So, but first, I will going to explain to you what is prism. So today we will learn some more interesting 3D shape, 3D shape that is a prism. So, okay, let's start. So, what is prism? So, prism, it is a polyhedron with two polygonal faces lying in parallel planes and with the other faces parallelogram. So, in a simple words, prism is a 3D shape in which the top and bottom faces are the same shape and size and all the other faces are rectangles. So, I will repeat, prism is a 3D shape in which the top and bottom faces are the same and shape and also the size. So, there are many types of prisms depending upon the shape of its top and bottom faces or its cross section. So, let's say we have examples here. First, we have a triangular prism. So, why is it triangular prism? Because its top and bottom faces are triangle in shape and all other faces are rectangular. So it has 6 vertices, 9 edges, and 5 faces. So it is the first example of prism. So again, that is triangular. So next we have let us learn about another types of prism. Second, we have square prism. Why is it square prism? Because its top and bottom faces are square. So in shape and all other faces are rectangle. So this is the same as cuboid. So okay, the square, it has 5 faces, 5 vertices, and 8 edges. So very good. Okay, student at the back, please eyes on the board. Okay, later I will ask you. Okay, next, let us learn another type of prism. We have what? Rectangular. So this is a rectangular prism because its top and bottom are rectangular. So in all other faces are rectangular. So this is the same as cuboid shape also. So it has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. So, and again, this is the another example of rectangular of prism. That is rectangular prism. So next, okay, let us learn another type of prism. We have pentagonal prism. So because its top and bottom faces are pentagonal. So in other faces are rectangular. So as you can see in this figure, no, this is a pentagonal from the top and bottom. So in the other side, that is a rectangular prism. So okay. Stop talking, class. So, okay. And now, last, we have about the surface area of prism. Such as lateral area, we're going to find the lateral area, the surface area, and the right rectangular and triangular. So, the surface area, it is the total area of all faces and curved surfaces of a three-dimensional figure. So, the surface area, it is the total area of all faces and curved surfaces of a three-dimensional figure. So, then how to find the surface area of what? Prism. So, to find the total surface area of a prism, you need to calculate the area of two polygonal bases. Example, the top and bottom faces. So, and then, calculate the area of lateral faces connecting the bases. So, add up the area of the two bases and the area of the lateral area is to get the total surface of a prism. So, since we know the total surface area of a prism is equal to the sum of all its faces. Example, the floor, okay, the walls, and a roof of prism. So later we will having a problem solving. So now let us know how to solve the lateral area and surface area of a what? Right prism. So, okay, what is lateral area? Lateral area, it is a area of the non-bases only. So, when a prism has its bases facing up and down, so the lateral area is the area of a vertical faces. So, it can be calculated by multiplying the perimeter of the base by the height of prism. So, we have here the formula. We have L equals PH. So, the L, that is lateral area, and the P, that is perimeter, and the H, that is what? That is height. So next, we are going to know how to solve the surface area of a right prism, which is a lateral area, that is L, and base area, that is B. So we have surface area equals PH plus 2B. So this is the formula of surface area. Okay, this student at the back, eyes on the board. And now we're going to discuss the right rectangular prism. So the right rectangular prism, it is a prism can be defined as a three-dimensional solid shape which has 6 faces that are rectangles. So this is the shape of the the rectangular prism. It has 6 faces, and then it has the same cross section along length which make it a prism. So the formula of a right rectangular prism, we have S equal 2 times length times width plus 2 times width times height plus 2 times length times height. So, to find the rectangular prism, we're going to find the what? The length the width and the height. So, okay, this is a right rectangular prism. So, do you have a question? Okay, none so far. Very good. So, did you hear me? Okay. So, now, last we have a triangular prism. So, what is triangular prism? Everybody, read this, our discussion. So, first, last we have triangular prism. So, what is triangular prism, everybody? It has rectangular sides. Otherwise, it is, what? It is oblique. So, all cross sections parallel to the base faces are the same triangle. This is the figure of triangle prism. So, this is the figure, okay? And the formula of the triangle prism, we have, what? Surface area equals BH plus PH. So, the B, that is base, and H, that is height, and P, that is perimeter, and H, that is height. So, okay, to determine the perimeter or P of the triangular by finding the sum of the three sides. So, and to determine the height of each of the prism is the distance between the base. So, okay, do you have a question? Okay, none so far, so very good. So, how about you? Did you understand what our discussion for today? Okay, so, and that's all. This is this is our discussion for today. Now, okay, let me ask you, what is our discussion all about? Yes, Pantaleta? Okay, very good. So, our discussion is all about finding the surface area of prisms. So, very good. So, what else? Okay, to calculate the right rectangular and triangular. So, very good. Next, Arna, so what have you learned from our discussion? Okay, so you have learned to calculating the prisms. So now, each group, I will call one of you to answer my question. So, if you really learned anything from our discussion. So, group 2, what surface area of prism is user to finding the lateral area? Which is the lateral surface area together with the area of the base and top. So, very good. Next, yes, group 4. How do you calculate the lateral area and surface area? Okay, very good. So, to calculate the lateral area, we have L equals PH. And to calculate the surface area, we have S equals PH plus 2B. So, very good. So, stay in your group. Now, I will give you some problem solving. So, please listen. So, each group, choose your leader to explain your answer. But you should all work together to help answer the activity. So, whoever is the highest group will be the winner of this activity. So, here the group 1 and 2. Okay. Group 3 and 4. Okay. Group 5. Okay, sit down properly, please. Okay. So, start now. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity. Okay, time's up. Please, leader of group 1 and 2, explain your answer here in front. Come here. So, very good. The answer is 148 squares. So, your explanation and solutions is correct. So, I will. Okay, we're going to explain your work again. So this is the answer of group 1. So, okay, to finding the surface area, we have pitch plus 2b. So our perimeter, that is 20 times height. So our height is 5 centimeter plus 2 times 6 times 4. So 20 times 5 equals 100 plus 48. So the answer is 148 centimeter squared. So very good. And now, group 3 and 4, come here in front. What is your answer? Okay, wow, very good. So group 3 and 4, so to find the surface area of a triangular prism, so what? Do we have a formula, okay? BH plus PH. So the answer is 468 inches squared. Very good. So next, group 5. What is your answer? Come here in front and explain your answer. Okay, very good. So this is the output of group 5. So using the formula of lateral area, we have L equals PH. So the answer is 86.6. So very good. Okay, class, go back to your seat. Now, I am glad you are good when it comes to our subject. So what our subject? Okay, math. So, and now, let us solve the math problems with your group mates. And whoever is the first with the correct answer, also, they will got a big points. Okay, so this is our problem. Okay, find the surface area of right rectangular prism. Okay, I want you all to have solving, and let me see if it is correct or wrong. Okay, start now. Why so very noisy? Okay, thank you. Are you done solving? Okay, time's up. Okay, who wants to solve on the board? Come here in front and then explain your answer. Okay, very good. So, our answer is what? 888 centimeter squared. So, using the formula, we have 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height and plus 2 times width times height. So, we're going to solve it. So, our length, that is a 4. That is 6. And our height, that is 2. And our 4, that is what? Our width, that is 4 centimeter. So, thank you. Very good. Your answer is 88 centimeter. So now, let me ask again. Okay. Josiah, how did you find the activities today? Wow, very good. So I like your answer. So how do you sum total of surface area of prism using the given problem? Okay, wow, good to know, my dear students. So how about how do you find the significance of prism in your life situation? Okay, using prism shape objects, you will see in different in everyday life include ice cubes, barns and candy bars, or the regular geometry of the prism makes it useful for designing buildings and simple products. So got it? Okay, very good. So okay, you will also find prism in the natural world, such as okay, what we call that, mineral crystals. So now I will give you another example or problem solving about finding areas and the surface area of the prism through an algorithm. Again, using algorithm. You're going to answer using algorithm. So, and also, I know you you know what is the formula of this surface area. So this is the problem. Everybody solve it, right? Jose, can you please explain your work using algorithm? Okay, very good. So this the answer is 574. So okay, the steps in calculating the area and surface area. First, we're going to write the formula of lateral area using L equals PH. Then the number 2, we're going to solve the value of perimeters. The value of perimeter, we have 32 feet, and then you're going to multiply into the height. So our height is 14. So the answer of lateral area, that is 448 centimeter. So next, we're going to find the surface area of what? What is the formula of surface area? Okay, we have PH plus 2B. So the answer is 574 feet squared. So very good, Juicy. Okay, your answer is correct. So in our activity, we learned that we can use our knowledge to give solutions. So for our own creating problem, moreover using our ideas. So it helped us to develop our mathematical thinking skills and solving real life situations. So have a question. Sorry. Okay. So none so far. Thank you, students, for your listening. And now we are going to answer. So it is individually answered. So take one whole sheet of paper. So please answer this following question. Again, everybody eyes on the board. Okay, the question number 1, we have a Colby is finding the surface area of the triangular prism shown. So which expression will give him the correct value of B, the area of B? So you're going to solve it, and then you are going to choose the correct, the letter of the correct answer. Next, number 2, we have Kendall is using the formula shown to find the surface area of the prism. So we have PH plus 2B. Use the line to fill out the correct values of the variables PH and B and her formula. So you're going to fill out. So what is the perimeter? What is the height? What is the base? So, okay. I will give you 5 minutes to answer the following questions. So, please, everybody pass your paper here in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you. Class. So, if you don't have a question, I will ask you. Okay, how did you find the activities that we had? Yes, Emmanuel? Okay, what made you really think? Okay, very good. So, how about you, Israel? What did you learn from our discussion today? Okay, very good for your answer. So, and now, how about you, Mikael? How can we effectively apply or to solve mathematical problems in a real life situation involving surface area of prism? So, wow, amazing answers. So, the surface area of a prism or prism is very important to our lives. So, very good. So, now, answer your assignment at home and submit it tomorrow. So, this is our assignment. So, our assignment, you are going to illustrate the surface area of a right rectangular Okay, same. So that our length that is 10 feet and our width that is 9 feet and our edge that is 4 feet. Okay, do you have a question? Okay, none so far. So very good because you are listening. So now, this is the end of our discussion for today. So, what have a nice discussion we have today. I hope you learned something from our lesson and always keep and treasure this learning that we acquired midday or sometimes it will guide in your life to be successful as you want. So, God bless you all and don't forget to study or review your lesson. So, everybody stand up. Goodbye class. Okay, goodbye. So before you go out, can you please arrange your chairs so that your classroom where we will clean. Okay. So thank you. By the way, my name is Clarita Nas from Blessed Major in Mathematics. So this is my discussion or this is my lesson. So thank you for listening. God bless.